Welcome back. Part 2 of Chip Chip K. Are you excited?
So excited.
I'm so excited. Let's get into it. Thanks for coming back.
ये हमारी श्रुति की तरह बेज़बान है।
She's not dumb.
मुझ पर किसी ने चिट्ठी फेंकी मुझे छेड़ने के लिए, उसे छीन कर भाग रहा था।
Oopsies.
हमारा एक्सपोर्ट और ट्रैवल एजेंसी का धंधा अगर उनके नाम कर दे तो वो उसी दिन शादी करने के लिए राजी है।
तमें एमनी शर्तों मानी ली थी?
जी मान ली।
Why?
मैंने कहा जो भी मांगोगे दे देंगे, सिवाय मेरे बहन के।
What? Oh, okay. He didn't accept it.
मुझे पैसों की कोई फिक्र नहीं। मैं चाहता हूँ तुझे ऐसा लड़का मिले जो तुझसे प्यार करे, तेरी दौलत से नहीं।
There's one right here.
मुझे माफ कर दो। हालात ऐसे हो जाएंगे।
Sorry, you got wrecked.
लेकिन मुझे पता था, उस पहलवान का पहला घुसा पड़ते ही मैं समझ गया था ये हाल होने वाला है।
You can still see the
It's
marks
very
on his
cool.
face.
आज ही रात तुम यहाँ से चले जाओ।
चला जाऊं? कहाँ?
कहीं भी। अगर तुम्हें पैसे चाहिए तो मैं दे दूंगी।
कितने दोगी?
Well, you see, I owe about... No, never
500
mind.
चलेगा?
Way more than that.
500.
500?
Look at my face.
उस पहलवान ने मुझे जैकी चैन की तरह 400-500 घूसे मारे, उसका सिर्फ 500।
कल सुबह तो यहाँ पे दिखना नहीं चाहिए।
क्या समझती है तू अपने आप को? मुझे धमकी दे रही है? उस कागज में लिखाई तेरी है, ये साबित करने के लिए मुझे उनसे सिर्फ इतना ही कहना है कि तेरी और उस कागज की
I
लिखाई मिला
have the
ले।
power.
Leverage.
तो मैं उनसे ये भी कह दूंगा कि तुझे इस बात की जलन थी कि वो लोग सिर्फ उसकी शादी के बारे में सोच रहे थे, तेरी नहीं। इससे उनको ये भी शक हो जाएगा कि इससे पहली वाली शादी जो टूटी है ना, वो भी तेरी वजह से ही टूटी है। और अगर गलती से मेरा मुंह खुल गया ना, तो तेरी हैप्पी दिवाली शुरू।
साला मेरे भतीजे को मार पाए खेमना साला।
गुंडे मत बनो, अगर उनको पता चला मैंने तेरे को बताया तो मुझे नौकरी से हाथ धोना पड़ेगा।
रात मार उसकी नौकरी को।
I almost forgot he was in this movie.
Right?
It's been a while since we see him.
मेरे भतीजे को मारा है ना, जब तक के
I'm surprised he came back.
मैं यहाँ से नहीं
Yeah,
जाने वाला।
'cause he seemed so relieved when he got out of there. Like, ha.
गुंडिया भाई, गलती हो गई।
गलती हो गई? साला ये कोई जवाब है? ये गुंगे मेरे को इतनी बुरी तरह से पीटा और
Oh, is he gonna try to squeeze some money out of it?
Probably.
Get his boat back indefinitely.
मेरे पैसे का मामला अलग है, समझ गए? लेकिन ये उसको जो मारा पीटा उसका तुम हिसाब करो।
Give me money.
हाथ नहीं लगाने का बोला ना।
Hi.
जो कुछ भी हुआ अनजाने में हुआ, मुझसे जो हुआ वो एक भूल थी।
I said sorry already. Oh.
नौकरी पे रखा है मैंने उसे। 20,000 सैलरी, ठीक है ना?
संभाल के रखना, यहाँ से हिलाना भी नहीं। हाँ? मैं 1 तारीख को आऊंगा और ये लेके जाऊं। चोर। स्त्री गायब।
It's hot. It's hot.
Ow! That hurt me.
पैसा मिला?
जी नहीं मिला।
तो फिर यहाँ हाथ लटकाए हुए किस लिए आए हो? एक नंबर के निकम्मे हो तुम। पैसा वसूल नहीं कर सकते?
वो जीतू नाम का लड़का इतना चालाक था कि सब उसकी बातों में आ गए। मैं भी आ गया।
अरे पैसे तो मेरे डूबे ना।
उसका बाप बोलता है कि अभी तक उसकी लाश मिली नहीं, इसलिए इंश्योरेंस वाले पैसे नहीं दे रहे।
जाकर उसके बाप का गला दबोचो, फटाफट पैसे मिलने शुरू हो जाएंगे।
Oh no.
आप क्या किसी जीत नाम के लड़के को जानते हैं?
बहुत अच्छी तरह। अव्वल नंबर का धोखेबाज था। रुपए लेकर पैसे लेकर गायब हो जाता था। अब वो मर गया तो उसकी लाश भी हमको धोखा दे रही। वो भी गायब है।
Where can we find a body?
उसकी कोई
Oh my god, you totally called it.
कहीं भी उसकी लाश मिल जाए, उसको पहचानने के लिए सबूत के तौर पर मैं
Oh my
हमेशा उसका
gosh.
फोटो रखता हूँ अपने पास।
He actually does. Oh my gosh.
पूरे गांव को धोखा दिया उसने। भरोसे के लायक नहीं है वो।
like, I'm just gonna keep this, it's kinda cute.
गुंडिया भाव का कुछ भी नहीं लगता है। उसके पिताजी स्कूल के हेडमास्टर है और उनको भी नहीं छोड़ा उसने।
It's like, but he looks so kind.
देखो, ये रुपया 5 बजे मेहता साहब, मेहता टोपी के पास पहुंचना चाहिए।
Why are they giving him such an important
You're gonna give him
job?
an important job, someone you think is not smart? Okay.
वो लोग बहुत पैसे लेकर गए और साथ में वो लड़का भी है, वो गुंडिया भाव का भतीजा। अगर उसने कुछ
नहीं, वो लड़का ऐसा नहीं कर सकता।
मैं जानती हूँ वो एक नंबर का धोखेबाज है।
Oh.
वो हमें जरूर धोखा देगा और पैसों के लिए वो कुछ भी कर सकता है भैया, कुछ भी। मैं जानती हूँ इसलिए कह रही हूँ, आप जल्दी कुछ कीजिए।
Okay, so now everyone knows.
साहब उसको गिरफ्तार कर लिया है।
ओके
लेकिन वो कुछ बोल नहीं रहा।
ओके वो आदमी हमें मिल गया है, लेकिन पूछने पे कुछ बता नहीं रहा। जाके साले को तो झापड़ लगाऊंगा ना तो पोपट की तरह बोलना शुरू कर देगा।
छोटा सा एक्सीडेंट हो गया। वो अच्छा हुआ कि कन्हैया साथ में था, उसने बचा लिया, मुझे अस्पताल लेकर गया। फिर जिसको पैसे पहुंचाने थे उसको पैसे पहुंचा के आया।
Oh.
Did they say what kind of accident? Was it
Like a
car
car?
accident?
Must have been.
जब तुम वापस नहीं आए तो हमने सोचा
कि मैं पैसे लेकर भाग गया। जयदेव प्रसाद मास्टर जी के बेटे ने सब कुछ सीखा, लेकिन चोरी करना नहीं सीखा।
I mean, yeah, we said at the beginning he seemed genuine and wanted to pay people back. He just had bad luck and just didn't know how to make money.
Poor management.
इससे पहले कि लोग मेरे घर को जलाकर राख करते, मुझे वहां जाना होगा, क्योंकि इंश्योरेंस के पैसे उनको तभी मिलेंगे जब वहां मेरी लाश पहुंचेगी।
35 लाख का तो हमारा इन्वेस्टमेंट है, तो 36 लाख का घाटा कैसे हो गया?
वो देखिए, हमने 35 लाख लोगों को कर्जे पे दिया। उस 35 लाख को वसूल करने के लिए 1 लाख रुपया लग गया।
How?
इसके पहले के मंगल को पता चले, मुझे सारे धंधे बंद करने होंगे।
कोई बात नहीं, मंगल भैया को हम बता देंगे, और सिर्फ इस घाटे के बारे में नहीं, इस साल के सभी घाटों के बारे में हम ही बता देंगे।
Huh?
देवियो, मेरी बात सुनो। देखो बेटा, मंगल भैया को कुछ मत कहना।
Oh no.
मेरी बात मानो पिताजी, और आप अपनी फाइनेंस कंपनी की नई शुरुआत श्रुति के हाथों से ही करवाओ।
लेकिन कैसे?
आप अभी श्रुति को
Specifically.
13,90,000 दे दो, और वो अगले साल आपको सूद समेत सारे वापस लौटा देगी।
What's the plan here?
मुझे नहीं पता था मैं इतना
No.
क्या बोलती है?
Never ever say that you look handsome as a man.
No?
Let other people tell you that you look good.
और जो बताया समझ गया ना?
हाँ, समझ गया।
क्या समझा?
Look how handsome I look.
How can you praise yourself then? Like, oh, I look good, I look sharp. What do you say?
चलो बताओ, सबसे पहले तुम क्या करोगे?
अरे सबसे पहले उस गांव की बस पर चढ़ूंगा, कंडक्टर को 100 की पत्ती दूंगा, 92 रुपए का टिकट खरीदूंगा।
So specific.
तुम कौन हो?
भांडिया।
तुम जीतू के कौन हो?
मैं मरे हुए जीतू का लंगोटिया यार हूँ। एक बात बताओ, ये मरा हुआ जीतू दिखता कैसा है?
I was gonna say, can you trust him with that?
Yeah, I don't know.
अरे अब तुम जाते हो या नहीं?
ठीक है, जाता हूँ।
अरे बैग तो लेते जाओ।
ओहो, ये बैग भी इतनी भुलक्कड़ है, जहाँ रखता हूँ वही बैग जाती है। मरे हुए जीत का घर यही है क्या?
हाँ यही है। क्या बात है?
अब आप लोगों में मरे हुए जीत का बाप कौन है?
क्यों? क्या बात है?
Okay, so he's doing the job.
पैसों का मामला है।
हाँ, आपको कैसे पता?
तो आप भी भीड़ में खड़े हो जाइए। ये घर जलाने के लिए इकट्ठा हुए हैं सब लोग।
क्या? घर जलाने?
हाँ, जाइए, इन लोगों के साथ खड़े हो जाइए।
Poor guy. So stressed.
सुबह सुबह बैग उठा के चला है पैसे मांगने के लिए, और इतना छोटा बैग क्यों लाया? बड़ा ट्रक क्यों नहीं लाया?
चल बे, तुम्हारी तरह हम भी पैसे लेने के लिए खड़े हैं।
हम कोई लल्लू नहीं है।
अरे नहीं, मैं पैसे लेने के लिए नहीं,
Oh,
मैं
no.
पैसे देने के लिए आया हूँ। देखो इस बैग में।
Stop. Ah.
कितना है ये मुझे नहीं मालूम, मुझे तो बैग पहुँचाने के लिए बोला।
तो खोलने बेवकूफ खड़ा क्यों?
खोलना देख।
No, give it to
Give
the
it to the
dad.
dad. It's like, I had all that in the
I
suitcase.
could have ran away.
आपको ये सब करने की क्या
You
जरूरत?
saved our father.
Yeah.
इसने कहा भेज दो, तो मैंने भेज दिया।
He's gonna marry her. I don't know what's gonna happen to the sweet girl in the beginning, but
Yeah, I liked that woman at the beginning too. She was like, it said she would wait for him.
मोहन राव जी का घर यही है ना?
हाँ, क्यों?
मैं सोच रहा था कि एक बार उनको देख के चला जाऊं।
मैं हूँ मोहन राव। देख लिया? चले जाओ।
not curious at all.
मैं लंगोटिया जीतू का मरा हुआ यार हूँ।
क्या?
मैं मतलब मरे हुए जीतू का लंगोटिया यार हूँ।
क्या?
था। थी।
Out with it.
Oh, hey.
लोग कहते हैं ये उस लड़की का घर है पूजा, जिसकी शादी मरे हुए जीतू से होने वाली थी।
खबरदार जो उसका नाम इस घर में लिया तो।
Oy.
क्या मैं इससे मिल सकता हूँ?
वो यहाँ नहीं रहती। उसे मिलना है तो जाओ उसके पति के घर।
Oh.
Oh no.
पति के घर?
हाँ पति। पति।
How long?
Months, right?
Months?
He did
Hey.
tell her off and said like,
Yeah, I
don't-
guess after months, that's plausible.
Yeah, especially if he's dead. Like,
ये तो वो है। ये कौन है?
it's like I thought you were his friend.
I thought you just said you were friends with G2.
मैं तुम्हें अभी समझाता हूँ।
Well, that was a cool transition.
Yeah.
बोल साले बोल!
मुझे माफ करना है दोस्त।
Yeah.
I knew it.
So many feelings.
एक बात तो साफ है कि ससुर दामाद के संबंध अच्छे नहीं है।
अंकल हैं ही गरम मिजाज के। चलो ये तो अच्छा हुआ कि पूजा ने शादी कर ली।
Okay.
She deserves someone nice.
Yeah.
I hope that person's nice.
ये पूछ रही अब तो तुम्हारी सारी मुश्किलें हल हो गई हैं, तो अपने गांव जाके सबसे मिल क्यों नहीं लेते?
नहीं, पूजा हमेशा इसी इंतजार में रही कि मैं कब उससे शादी करूंगा। मैंने उसके साथ बहुत नाइंसाफी की।
Okay.
Agreed.
Good.
मैं मर गया हूँ यही सोचकर आज उसने शादी की। अगर मैं वापस गाँव गया और उसने मुझे जिंदा देख लिया,
So I must stay here and marry
तो
Kareena.
बर्दाश्त नहीं कर पाएगी।
So that everyone else in the house could be happy and get married too.
And I guess all his debts are now paid, so.
Yeah. And now he will live quite richly.
तो मैं इसकी शादी तुमसे करा दूं?
हाँ?
Ah! Ah!
सच कह रही हूँ, ये तो तुम्हें बहुत पसंद करती है।
हाँ?
तुम्हें पसंद है या नहीं?
She
I
can hear
mean,
you.
she's Kareena Kapoor. Of course I like her.
Who's gonna say no?
पसंद है।
अच्छा, तो ये
I think she's very pretty too.
Yeah. Very. Ah, they're so cute.
आप लोग मजाक कर रहे थे तो मैं भी मजाक ही कर रहा था। मैं इतनी आसानी से फंसने वाला थोड़ी हूँ।
All his hard work.
अब यहाँ रहकर तुम क्या करोगी? तुम्हारे सामने पूरी जिंदगी पड़ी है।
सवाल सिर्फ एक मंगलसूत्र का ही तो है जो उसने मेरे गले में नहीं बांधा।
Still?
Is this Pooja?
Girl.
Is this the one who got married? I thought she got married, right?
Yeah.
कम से कम मुझे इतना अधिकार तो दीजिए
Oh my gosh.
कि मैं जीत की
Girl.
विधवा बनकर जी सकूं।
You're married.
यही मेरा सुख है कि मैं जीत की विधवा हूँ।
She is
That's when you know someone really loves someone else, is when
committed.
they want to live as someone's widow.
बहुत अच्छा लिखा है। किसके बारे में लिखा है? मेरे बारे में। चलो अच्छा है। कम से कम मैं आपकी कविता लिखने के तो काम आया।
श्रुति के दिल में उसके लिए
He doesn't care about wealth, right? So
लेकिन श्रुति ने कुछ गलत
जानता हूँ मैं अपनी बच्ची को।
I mean, don't you want your sister happy?
मैं उसके बारे में सब कुछ जानना चाहता हूँ। उसके माँ बाप, उसका परिवार।
About
उसके
that.
बारे में मुझे मत पूछो।
it's a tragedy.
उसके माँ बाप जो भी कुछ है सिर्फ मैं हूँ। कोई गड़बड़ की है उसने?
गुंडे तो मेरी बहन को अच्छी तरह जानते हो। कई रिश्ते आते हैं उसके लिए, लेकिन सब उसके
Oh
दौलत के
gosh.
पीछे पड़े।
That it is legitimate though to say that. I mean,
No, I'm saying now he's gonna milk it and be like, "Oh, we
get
are
the
we
wealth."
just-
Yeah. Now I agree with you there.
तुम्हारा भतीजा दोगे मुझे? वैसे भी मैं हिंदी, मराठी, गुजराती, बंगाली भेदभाव में नहीं मानता।
Aw, beautiful.
शादी?
What a wonderful idea.
How could we? We are but from humble. I mean, that's kind of cool. He's
Cha-ching.
okay with marrying your sister off to someone who's in debt too.
तू हालात को समझ नहीं रहा।
इसमें समझने की कौन सी बात है? तुम चुप रहोगे तो ऑटोमेटिक तुम्हारी शादी हो जाएगी। अगर मुंह खोलोगे तो ऑटोमेटिक तुम्हारी मौत हो
Boy,
जाएगी।
choices.
That's forever.
अरे लेकिन बाकियाँ मेरी बात।
He's got to keep that up forever.
इतना इंतजार करने के बाद अपनी प्यारी सी बहन के लिए तुम्हें यही लड़का मिला?
उसको समझने वाला,
Yeah, right
उसको
intentions.
चाहने वाला चाहिए था। उसके आगे मैंने कुछ नहीं सोचा। ये सारी धन दौलत आपकी है काका, आप ही को सौंप दूंगा। खाली हाथ चला जाऊंगा। लेकिन बस इतना चाहता हूँ कि मेरी बहन की शादी इसी मंडप में हो।
Aw.
So loving.
मेरे लिए तुझसे बढ़कर और कुछ है क्या? मैं सिर्फ इतना चाहता हूँ कि हमारे साथ धोखा ना हो, मेरी बेटी के साथ धोखा ना हो।
नहीं काका।
Oh, rub it in.
मुझे पूरा भरोसा है कि वो हमें धोखा नहीं देगा।
Oh, rub it in.
Damn. Starting to feel a little guilt. I mean, it's like, hey, as long as I don't.
But she knows though.
Ah! The truth shall come out.
मैं तो आपको भैया कहने के लायक भी नहीं। भैया मैं आज तक ना कुछ कह रहा था,
Oh man.
ना सुन रहा था। लेकिन ये मेरी मजबूरी थी भैया।
Oh, you getting beat?
मजबूरी में आदमी ऐसी गंदी हरकत करता है, धोखा देता है।
But he hasn't taken anything.
हमसे खिलवाड़ करने का अंजाम जानते हो? मारो साले।
He didn't. To be fair, he didn't have to say anything. He could have just kept the ruse up.
जब मेरी बहन ने कहा तुझे चाहती है, तब मैं तरस गया था तेरी मुंह से भैया लफ्ज सुनने के लिए। लेकिन आज मैं यही लफ्ज एक धोखेबाज के मुंह से सुन रहा हूँ। क्यों किया तूने ऐसा? मेरे साथ जो धोखा तूने किया वो मैं माफ कर सकता हूँ, लेकिन मेरी बहन के साथ जो धोखा तो मजाक तूने किया
She knew.
Yeah, she knew.
Is the sister gonna speak up?
मैं सब कुछ सह सकता हूँ लेकिन ये धोखेबाज का इल्जाम नहीं सह सकता। आपकी बहन को मेरे बारे में सब कुछ पता है। कुछ भी नहीं
There we go.
बल्कि मेरे बारे में वो जितना जानती है इस दुनिया में और कोई नहीं जानता।
Oh.
बेटा हमारे दर पे आने वाले हर आदमी के हम आंसू पहुंचते हैं। तू भी तो वही कर रही थी ना? देखो तुम जो चाहोगी वैसे ही होगा।
He has such a soft spot for her.
बेटी जीत ने हमें सब कुछ बता दिया है। वो बहुत नेक लड़का है। हमें उस पर पूरा भरोसा है।
आज तक तुमने कई झूठ बोले, लेकिन आखिर में सच भी।
That's the important thing. It's not how you start, it's how you end.
आज से तुम्हें अपना अतीत भूलकर हमारे साथ रहना होगा।
He's like, yeah,
तुम पर किसी और का हक नहीं होगा।
that's fine.
अगर तुम्हें मेरी बात मंजूर है, तो तुम्हें एक और वादा करना होगा कि तुम श्रुति को छोड़कर कभी नहीं जाओगे।
Done.
जिंदगी भर उसका साथ दोगे।
What about that other woman who agreed to be his
Well,
widow?
he doesn't know that she's still pining. Maybe that was just to show us that it's a good thing that he didn't go back.
कोई श्रुति को छोड़कर कहीं नहीं जाऊंगा। ये मेरा वादा।
It's weird. This almost feels like an ending, but I feel like there's still a bit of movie left.
Yeah. What else could happen?
I
Unless
wonder-
if the uncle will screw them up somehow.
Well, I don't know. I mean, I feel like the father needs a little bit of a cathartic ending too,
That's
just
true.
in terms of like knowing his son is okay.
Especially if there's a grandkid on the way or
मालिक अंदर मत जाओ।
अरे तू कौन होता है मुझे रोकने वाला? चल हट हट।
मालिक वो बोला।
कौन बोला? एक मिनट। तू क्या बोला?
मुंह कहीं नहीं बोलियो।
Oh my god.
मैंने नहीं बोला कि वो बोला।
तो तूने क्या बोला?
मैंने बोला कि वो बोला।
लेकिन मैंने जब उससे पूछा कि वो
They're
बोला
so
तो तू बोलता कि
funny.
वो नहीं बोला।
हाँ वो नहीं बोला।
They're so funny.
मैंने नहीं बोला कि वो बोला, मैंने बोला कि वो बोला।
ये पकड़ तू।
He's not.
I'm gonna slap you.
Yeah, he's not. He can speak now. He's not acting dumb
Use
anymore.
names. Use names.
तुम इसके क्या लगते हो?
चाचा। लेकिन ये ऐसे नहीं समझेगा। उसकी भाषा में समझा ना। ये देख देख। ए। चा।
Okay. So he was walking into an ambush.
Yeah.
समझ गया। आप मुझे चाचा कह रहे हैं।
What?
मैंने कुछ सुना?
जी। कैसे हैं आप चाचा जी?
He can talk.
It's a miracle.
मैं पहले से बोल भी सकता हूँ और सुन भी सकता हूँ।
But this is his first time hearing her.
Yeah. Yeah. He actually did never hear him
Yeah.
speak, so he's actually.
सबको सच पता है कि मैं गूंगा बहरा नहीं। और मैंने उन्हें ये भी बता दिया कि आप मुझे समुंदर से लाए।
Sorry.
I don't know what he's talking about.
किस रिश्ते से ये तुम्हारा भतीजा लगता है?
आप तो जानते कि मैं भारतीय हूँ और सभी
We're all
भारतवासी मेरे भाई
family.
बहन हैं।
We're all God's children.
जो भी हो, तुम उसे यहाँ लाए हो,
Okay, fair enough.
इसलिए तुम्हारी उधारी
Oh,
माफ।
that's sweet.
He's become a very forgiving person now. Hey, his sister's happy. He's happy. And he likes him.
ये जीत के करते हो। इसमें इतने पैसे कि उसके घर वाले जिंदगी
Oh,
भर सुख और
wow.
शांति से जी सके। मैं चाहता हूँ कि वो उसे आशीर्वाद दे, उसे प्यार से याद करे।
What a good brother.
ऐसा सोच लीजिए जीत ने आपके लिए भेजा है।
हाँ? और हमने जो धंधे में कमाया उसमें जीत का भी तो हिस्सा है ना।
तुम ही बताओ बेटी क्या करना चाहिए?
We'd rather have a son.
Right.
कौन है?
Oh my God.
ये वो
Ah!
Don't say widow.
Widow?
जीत की
Don't say widow.
जीत की क्या?
Widow.
ये पैसा आप रख लीजिए और इस लड़के की शादी करवा दीजिए। और मैं आपसे भी कहता हूँ मास्टर जी कि आपके दिल में अगर जीत के लिए थोड़ा सा भी प्यार है ना तो बाकी की जिंदगी आप खुशी से बिताइए।
हाँ वो मर गया तो क्या हुआ? आज देखिए अच्छी पोजीशन पे तो पहुंच गया ना। कम से कम इस बात की तो खुशी होनी चाहिए आपको।
At peace. At peace.
A good position in the afterlife.
चाहे वो कितना भी दूर हो, मैं उसके दिल की आवाज सुन सकती हूँ। पिछले कई दिनों से मुझे ये महसूस हो रहा था, मेरा बेटा मरा नहीं
This
है।
is why we have a lot of movie left.
I guess so, but.
Here comes the family.
Oh, God.
Worst timing ever.
Dad, can you wait? I'm in a dance number.
I'm about to get married. Sorry you didn't get invited.
जिनको बोल कर आना है, आ जाओ। फिर हमें तुरंत जाना है। चलो।
I feel bad for his widow too.
I know.
मेरे लिए ना सही, अपनी माँ के आंसुओं के लिए ना सही। जिस दिन तू समुंदर में
Oh man, don't bring her into this.
Yeah.
पूजा।
Oh.
Pooja.
मंगनी की रस्म शुरू होने वाली है, सब लोग इंतजार करें। चलो आओ, आओ भाई, आओ वर्मा जी।
Daddy.
तो फिर जाइए, जाइए अंदर और मांगिए अपना हक। पता है अंदर क्या होगा? आपकी आंखों के सामने आपके बेटे की मौत होगी। देखना है आपको? तो जाके देखिए।
It's like that, huh?
Then you'll really feel pain.
जब आपने एक बार मान लिया कि वो मर चुका है, तो फिर से उसे जिंदा करके आप अब क्यों मारना चाहते हैं?
What will he do?
मरे हुए कभी लौट कर वापस नहीं आते, और जो ऐसा सोचते हैं वो सरासर बेवकूफ है।
Okay.
और जानती उनमें सबसे बड़ा बेवकूफ कौन है? तुम।
Oh.
अब इस घर में रहने का तुम्हें कोई अधिकार नहीं, निकल जाओ।
Oh man.
तूने उसे देखा।
Oh no, he's gonna cause trouble.
अब तुम्हें मैं जिस किसी के भी कदमों में फेंकूंगा, उसी से ही मंगलसूत्र
No.
बनवाना होगा। वरना
She deserves a decent person.
वरना
This is dark.
Whoa. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, what is happening?
पूजा से मिलने एक बार माफी मांगकर उसकी मंजूरी तो लेनी ही चाहिए।
Wait, are they married yet? Just engaged.
मेरा बेटा लौट आया।
And cry.
मुझे माफ कर दीजिए पिताजी। पता नहीं कहाँ जाकर मैं अपने पाप धो पाऊँ। मेरा बच्चा।
We don't care. You're alive.
अरे अब तो रोना बंद करो।
Whoa. No. No.
बेटा, अब एक पल भी इसे इस हाल में मत रखना।
No.
और भर दे इसकी।
Guys, stop talking for him, please.
Can I have a moment with you?
कल मेरी शादी।
Oh man.
अब मैं आपका नहीं, उनका हो चुका।
देखो बेटा, ये कोई मामूली लड़की नहीं है जो सिर्फ इंतजार कर रही है।
But remember all the problems I had?
जी, तुम जो चाहे मांग लो। मैं अपना सब कुछ बेच बाच कर, गली गली भीख मांग कर तुम्हारी हर मांग पूरी करूंगा। लेकिन मेरी बेटी
It's kind of gone out.
देखो, तुम तो मर चुके हो और तुम्हारा परिवार भी बर्बाद हो चुका था। ये गुजराती लोगों ने तुम्हें जीवन दान दिया है, तुम्हें नई जिंदगी दी है इन लोगों ने।
Okay, look, from Monday through Thursday, I live here.
You get me every other weekend.
हमारे जयपुर के पार्टनर मिस्टर गुप्ता।
Congratulations.
3-4 लोग आए हैं दिल्ली से, इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट हैं।
Oh, the guy who. Oh boy.
Oh man.
Oh boy.
Don't do this. Oh gosh, is she here too? Oh my gosh, she came. Will this be closure?
अजीत, ये
मेरे पिताजी।
Awkward.
ये इसकी माँ है।
This is his widow.
और ये इसकी मंगेतर है।
Causing drama.
चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, हम जीत को यहाँ से लेकर ही जाएंगे।
Just let him go.
तू उसको यहाँ से ले जाएगा?
हाँ, ले जाऊंगा।
Dude, guys, this is. He made his choice. Like,
Yeah.
अगर तुम्हारी बहन की शादी के लिए तुम्हें कोई लड़का नहीं मिल रहा है, तो जाके फेंक दो उसे।
He doesn't want. Oh. Oh.
मैं उसे जाने नहीं दूंगा, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए। मैं उसे तुमसे अलग होने नहीं दूंगा।
It's like not like this.
अब तक मैं उसकी विधवा बनकर जी रही थी, अब क्या बनकर जी?
Just find a decent guy who doesn't cause you this much trouble. I know you are dedicated, but.
वो बोल नहीं सकते, बेजुबान है।
Oh, even worse. Now,
right,
how bad do you feel?
Is she dumb? Because like I thought she was she just couldn't speak.
That's just the term they use.
Oh.
Yeah, it's like how we said slow, like in the past, like, oh, they're just slow.
जीत के लिए तुम ही जन्मी हो, सिर्फ तुम।
Oh. She's such a good girl.
वो बोली अपने दिल का दर्द बोलकर रो भी नहीं सकती बेचारी। उसे छोड़कर कहाँ जा रहे हो तुम?
What's he supposed to say?
अगर तुम उस बेजुबान को एक जिंदगी दोगे, तो मेरे दिल में तुम्हारे लिए और इज्जत और मान बढ़ जाएगा।
Oh my gosh.
ये मैं सच्चे दिल से कह रही हूँ।
Okay. Closure.
Everyone come back to the ceremony.
It's a little bit of drama. It's fine. Thank goodness.
Yeah, this is the time to say, okay.
Kick him out. Kick him out.
No one cares about sensitivity.
No. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Oh.
What an adventure.
They had us for a second.
Yeah, I was like, how are we going to end this? I just want to see if, what's his name is the actor from Ghost in the Darkness, the uncle, I guess the uncle, right?
Uncle.
Puri.
Oh, yeah.
Ghost in the Darkness.
Oh,
he passed away. Damn. The Ghost in the Darkness.
Yep, you called it.
Abdullah, as I said. Yep, that was him. I was like, I know that face.
Memory.
I know that face.
You're so good at that.
Sometimes. Yeah, it was an interesting film. I enjoyed it. There were definitely a couple times where I was trying to get into it and trying to connect a little bit, but I did like his arc. I think that was the most important thing for me, and I did like, besides his arc, like the way I really felt like he did develop as a character and changed. Again, I did feel his naivete, and also I did feel that he was very genuine. Again, he just ran into some bad luck, and as you said, some poor management. As someone who is an entrepreneur and just trying to, I don't know if he was trying to do like get rich schemes or whatever. He just was not very good at whatever he was trying to do, but I don't think he was purposely like trying to screw people over. He didn't, if he was, he didn't come off that way. So like from that perspective, I felt bad for him. You know, I don't know if I've shared this on camera with you guys, but I've been into debt myself. Biggest reason is I've had these horrific headaches that I get. Knock on wood, they've been a lot better the last year and a half. But for a long time, they caused me I wasn't able to work. And then also going to doctors in America is not very cheap. So the combination of the two really screwed me over. Anyways, point being is, from that perspective, I could resonate just in terms of like feeling his pain from that perspective. Having said that, I really did like his performance. I liked all the performances, especially the brother. I really loved that he was didn't care about money, even when he thought that Chitu was dumb. I don't like that term. Was slow, whatever. I like that he still like accepted him. He didn't care. He just wanted his sister's happiness. And again, from that I connected as well, because I've always felt that way when it comes to my family. I just want them to be happy. I don't care whatever the person is, as long as they're a decent human being and they make my brother or my sister happy, or any family member, friend, as long as they make them happy and they're a good human being, that works for me. I don't care anything else. And also Kareena Kapoor, what a performance! Just because, again, everything is visual storytelling. It's visual narrative, and she's not talking at all. Everything is, whether it's sign language or facial emoting. And I thought she gave a terrific performance, because you have to read body language, you have to watch her facial expressions, and I thought she did a terrific job. And it's hard to get the audience to connect with you when you're speaking and reacting, but to get the audience like to emotionally connect with you when you're not talking at all, other than in some dance numbers. She stood out to me personally the most. I loved her performance, and I loved her. I think that was her sister, right?
Yeah,
or a friend, whoever that was. I thought she did a terrific job too. So, what did you think of the film?
I'm on that same boat, pun intended.
Oh, right.
For me, the story, to be honest, don't come at me, the story was not like that thrilling, or like it didn't evoke a lot out of me. But what did get me for sure is that, for some reason, somehow, whether that's the director or I'm not sure how it happened, but all of the actors, I felt like were able to really flesh out their characters, and they gave really great performances. Like you said, there was not one person who I didn't feel like they didn't progress in some way. And I don't know if people know this, but it takes a lot for an actor to feel safe and comfortable enough to be able to do that on set. You know, I feel like there has to be some sort of, like, a lot of work with the producers and the directors to be able to have that space to kind of play and to have that sort of development. So I felt like this happened really naturally for everyone in this. So we had like some really strong performances from obviously Shahid, Kareena, but even Ompuri, Paresh, the sister, whoever she was, Neha.
And Pooja. I thought she was terrific
she
too.
Was great too. But even Bandya, who was supposed to be kind of the comic relief, him and Gundia had really great moments together of like, what are you saying? Like, oh my God.
Kind of felt like the Abbott and Costello of the
Exactly.
Yeah.
But still, they made it very human and very endearing.
Yeah.
And of course, from the dad, G2's dad, he's that actor, Anupam, is always, he just looks and you're like, oh, my heart.
Yeah.
He's very good at that too. And Mongol was a favorite as well. Like, you expect him to be like the just tough, dumb brother, like who like is just gonna be like, you do as I say. But he ended up having so much emotional depth to him.
Yeah.
That was touching.
Agreed. And that's how he came off in that first scene too. And I forgot, because it was like it was so long for early on in the film, I forgot exactly what G2 was doing.
Was it the wrestling? Was that the first?
But he did something where he started beating up on G2. I just forgot specifically what G2 was doing that invoked him to
or was it the letter? You thought it was the love letter to his sister?
I think you're right, the love letter. But yeah, he's like the big brooding brother. But I did like, again, I wasn't expecting so much depth from his character and to like emotionally connect with him. But I do appreciate that I think you said it best. Like I didn't get into the story as much as I wanted to, and it did drag a little for me. But I think the characters, like if I'm not into the story, at least like I want to be emotionally connected into the characters and invested in the characters and have character development for sure. And I think they at least did a really good job with that, which I appreciated. If you can't fill one of those boxes, at least fill the other one. If you can fill both of those boxes, now you've got something beyond incredible.
And if not, the visuals, like have something.
Yeah, no, for sure. And speaking of which, I really did like the dance numbers. I liked a lot of the sets we were on. The costume designs, fantastic. I mean, there was a lot of things I did appreciate about the film for sure. I would just say the only thing like somewhat lacking a little bit was the storyline, but other than that,
it's fine.
Yeah.
I'm not mad at it, or I'm not like, God, I wasted 3 hours of my life. No,
I didn't feel like that. I still enjoyed the characters. I enjoyed the performances. I liked the arcs. And I really, like I said, I thought there was something also to be said about just like, trying to do the right thing and the way he developed in terms of the way he changed, in terms of money and trying to do the right thing for his family. And the way also he was facing his fears with his family, like, when he came back, I thought that was a nice message in there too, because it's hard to be confrontational in an uncomfortable situation like that. So I thought that was an interesting thing to show in that sense. But again, I enjoyed the film.
Yeah, I really enjoyed the comedic moments. Like, I feel like they really got me.
Oh, for sure.
A bunch of the times.
Yeah.
Their chemistry was really nice too. I mean, it's really hard for Kareena to have. I've never seen her have bad chemistry with anyone.
Right.
And of course, Shahid is completely charming. So like, what can you do?
Yeah. To your point too. Like, I'm sure there's other films of Kareena Kapoor's that I'm not thinking off the top of my head, but just the three like that I'm thinking of. Here with Shahid, terrific chemistry here with Amir Khan in Three Idiots, phenomenal chemistry with him in that film, and then with Shah Rukh Khan in Raw 1, phenomenal chemistry. So yeah, so she always has really good chemistry with her actors. I think that's a strength of hers. Like, she's always going to have terrific chemistry with whoever she works with. And obviously, you got to give credit to the actor she works with as well. So, she's just a terrific actress. So
great work from everyone. That was enjoyable.
And I love that. I know it. I'm not making fun of it. I know it might have seemed like we were making.
It was very sweet.
I loved it. I thought it was fun. I thought it was fun and funny at the same time, without making fun of it.
Yeah,
I really wasn't making fun of it. I don't know if the comments might think like, "Wow, Andrew's." I'm not. I wasn't making fun of it. I thought it was fun and funny, and it's like, I think the finest form of flattery is imitation, and that's what I was just doing. And I think you were doing. I know you were doing that as well, and I think like that's all we were doing. I love what Shahid was doing with that voice.
He was doing it very respectfully. It was not like super overly done or like we said said disrespectfully. Like you could make it easily so like over the top.
Yeah, you got to be careful, especially when you're doing that type of performance. You got to be very careful with how you do that, because if you go over the top, people are not going to respond well to it.
I don't care how cute you are.
Yeah. Like, yes, so, even you, Arjun.
Well, we'll see.
You can do no wrong in Vivian's eyes.
You can do no wrong to me. But I enjoyed it. I'm glad we got to see it. It feels kind of like a classic. Actually, it feels like a big sort of classic. I had that vibe about it.
Yeah, this is an almost 19-year-old film, so it's a while back.
But it's like a strong enough love story, or I guess character romance love story, to where it is very memorable, I think. So on that note, thank you guys for being with us through it all. Did not expect the last twist, I guess. I don't know. Do we call it a twist at the end, or like how it unraveled?
Yeah, the way it ended, I was not expecting that. And also too, my heart was racing a little, just in terms of this is like suspenseful, and there's a lot of tension here. Not suspenseful in terms of horror, but suspenseful in terms of like, how is this going to end? Like, this is like...
There's no happy ending here.
Yeah, this is dramatically uncomfortable, and I don't know what's going to happen here.
Just great.
So, but I was happy, like, the outcome, and I think that was very sweet and endearing, because Pooja loved Jitu enough to realize to let him go, and also appreciated what he was doing for Shruti as well, and what she was doing for him, that they did need to be together. So I think that's the ultimate love, is sacrifice as well. So I thought that was sweet.
Exactly. I'm so about that. Like, they had a really young love, you know, they were betrothed to each other since youth, you know, so there's a lot of stuff that comes with that, you know, and I feel like it was unfair to Jitu several times, because he had made the conscious choice to be like, I'm making this decision. Like, be free, be happy. And no one was listening to that, which I felt kind of, if this was a woman, I feel like somebody would be like, listen to the woman. She's telling you what she wants, you know? And in this time, I was like, listen to Jitu. He's making a very mature decision to... Like, maybe it's emotionally not fair to people, but he's making a choice because he's trying to do the loving thing, the right thing.
For sure.
And they were not letting him do it. So.
And he did tell her at the beginning, I'm a burden on you.
And he was not wrong. He's like, look at all the debt. I have nothing to give you. Like, love is not going to see us through that.
But on the flip, I agree with that. And on the flip side, I think it showed how wonderful she is, that she was willing to be patient, and wait, and also be his widow when she really did think he was gone from life. So,
which shows like she loves his parents too. She's like, take care of you guys.
The compassion, how empathetic she was, like just
very commendable.
A very sweet human being.
Just want you to have a good husband and find happiness. So thank you guys for hanging out with us. As always, drop more recommendations, what you thought of it. Did we miss something? You know, like, feel free to let us know. If not, thank you guys. I'm Vivian Day here with
Andrew Flash Gordon.
See you next time.